began my e-commerce journey in 2011 as an online freelancer specializing as an SEO virtual assistant. I studied how digital marketing works as a whole and applied several techniques and strategies enough to tell which ones work best and which ones were just fluff. I got first-hand experience of the unique processes that went on behind the scenes, the ones they don't teach you in the books and YouTube videos. That's when I saw the potential of e-commerce. I want to earn as much money as what my clients were earning without taking on too much client work. In short, ayokong lamunin ng trabaho. Long story short, I created my own online store. I used my skills and knowledge as an SEO specialist to drive high quality and high converting traffic to my online store and boosted sales by 10 times more. I tested this technique in different niches until I finally found a system that worked. Ang sekreta ko? Google Ads. With my Google Ads and e-commerce course, you won't just learn how to use Google Ads, but also how to build a profitable e-commerce store from scratch, no coding skills required. This is a course that has been years in the making. It covers my decade worth of industry experience without any of the BS, unnecessary fluff, and hours-long videos. Just the perfect blend of trainings and resources to help you set up a successful e-commerce business fast and effectively. Start your profitable e-commerce journey today by clicking the link below.